guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use as a journal. And I don't think I've used Dream Seeker in this journal yet. I'm surprised I haven't because I love this sticker book, but I'll be using that. And I'm going to try and use whatever little washi sample left I've got here. Unless I have a different one. Hold on. Would any of these possibly? Ooh, that might work. Let's see. And I thought I was going to use something else, but no, I'll probably bring that in as well. Let's get started. All right. So I have to say that I think I'm finding my groove with planning again. I have so much fun filming my my Hemlock and Oak and my Archer and Olive. And I almost want to plan a few weeks in advance, which I haven't felt like doing in a while. I was almost going to put that upside down. So that for me is, it's not a new sensation, but it's been a while since I felt that way. Okay, so then I want to use a mix of the washi along with these, and just trying to find the correct placement of this. So if that's here and here and here and here, okay. I almost want to cut these because I also want to use the washi and I don't want it to be too much. So if I use a little bit of this washi left. Oh yeah, there's probably enough in here for a couple of days that I can use this for. You guys are seeing my posts recently. I am all back into the washi, and I placed an order recently with Simply Gilded, so I am excited to get that now. Here we go. I do want to still create like a little combination, and I know that's a little bit off center, but it's still cute. Then I'm going to take this grid, place it on this side. I'm going at in a different order than I normally would. Okay. There we go. But I like being able to use my stash. Like, this is an older sticker book, and I like being able to go back through my stash and find things that I haven't used in a while. And this is one of them, and I love this sticker book. One of my most favorite sticker books. So next thing I kind of want to do is take a feather. I want to mix the two. I want to mix having the feathers and having the florals. So I'm going to end up mixing the two, but kind of still have them mirrored on either side, if that makes sense. Like this. And then add in washi, always the washi. That, and then this, there's a little bit left. Oh, perfect, like the perfect amount for that. Put that up a bit. I can hear my kids running around upstairs. Husband's not home from work yet. Then the third element I'm going to add is that little quote. Now before I do that, I actually want to see if I want to try and use this before start using that. Ooh, I like the reflect. No, I like it better on this one. And then I'm going to find a circle to put in that one so they stay true. Oh, I can hear Lucy. And, oh, I love this one. This is big, so I'm going to cut this down. Normally I'd cut it like this, but I think I'm gonna experiment and go like this. Oops. Did you guys hear Lucy? She's having a conniption upstairs. Probably barking at the neighbor. And then this was a weird shape, and I almost feel like I should have considered how I was going to cut this. So then, grid washi is going to go on this one. Put this up here this time. And then Simply Gilded, I'm going to take different washi. This is pretty. And place it here. And I really don't mind if I cover where it says Wednesday. And then I'm going to put one more here, and it'll be a feather down here to match with that. It's like I planned it. Gosh, look at all these sticker sheets that I've already used. Beautiful. This is huge though. So I'm going to try, and some of it might go off the page. Okay. And then adding the grid washi here. Oh, I got that dirty. How did I get that dirty? Grid washi, and then finding a quote or a circle sticker. I think I'm going along with the theme of these circle stickers, or these are good as well. Mantra, I think will work here. And then the best will work here. Perfect. Oh, I love that. I actually really do love that. All right, but that is it for me. I love the way that that looks, that it's, I always love decorating my journal. I feel like it's really fun, and it's also very easy to decorate. I don't really need to think about it. I know that I need to create clusters, I put them down. It's just a very easy way of planning for me. And I love using stickers in this one because I know I'm gonna keep this. So I have no problem using stickers in this one whatsoever. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.